Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM tools. First one is Scoro and the second one is ClickUp. We will go through some pros and cons and also I'll tell you more about these two products. Then we'll go through pricings and at the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with Scoro. Scoro is a work management software that helps professional service agencies, consultancies, and companies to optimize projects, simplify the quotes, automate billing, and optimize operations. It allows you to have all your work in one place and trace everything, from projects, sales, and daily activities to productivity of equipment and profitability. Using the application features, users can obtain a detailed view of planned and completed activities, time spent and turnover, income and costs, and guarantee optimal use. From small tasks to large projects, Scoro allows users to choose their way to the job, no matter where they are. Users can also do ad hoc activities and manage their pipelines easily. Managers can train their team efficiently to collaborate with this work management software. The application has highly configurable integrations with popular accounting softwares, cloud storage solutions, and over 1,000 tools to help customers reach automation. Automation is very important for CRM, not only this one, but also, for example, even the ClickUp that we are going to talk about a bit later. You can really get the best features from the CRM that you decide to invest in and get other features that you like, for example, from ClickUp to achieve maximum boost of your workspace or for your employees. Scoro is offering 24/7 help center and it's made for all types of businesses. When we check the pricing of Scoro, we can check if we want to pick it in US dollars, or euros, or pounds. It's completely up to you. And also if you want to be billed monthly or annually. Let's go with annual purchases. We have a couple of options in here. So first one is Essential, where you get a taste of everything in Scoro, or everything that Scoro offers. It's $19 euros in my case per user, but it's minimum of 5 users, so you're almost at 100 euros monthly. Then Work Hub or Sales Hub. It's completely up to you which way you want to get enrolled to, and it goes from 29 euros a month, but also 5 users, so 150 a month almost. Then the Ultimate version. The Ultimate version is for the biggest of the companies or enterprises, where you really need help of tailoring your own offer and get through it with the team of Scoro. I prepared for you this look on the UI of Scoro, where you can basically work in calendar, tasks, project contacts, planners, quotes, invoices, reports, and pipeline. And I feel like, at least from my point of view, the best one are the calendar and the tasks, where you just upload the task, upload the dues, and all the other stuff that your company is relying on. Then you just simply can get in touch with the people, employees, or other CEOs that are responsible for the task that you are working on. I feel like this UI is not that visible, and you can't really see easily what's going on. I, in that case, prefer ClickUp way more. But let's talk more about the ClickUp. ClickUp is a simple cloud-based collaboration and project management tool created for all user types. With ClickUp, you have all the features needed to help simplify and streamline your process, including sales, marketing, design, and development. ClickUp features an agile board view that allows you to monitor every task on your team in one board and assign tasks to various members of the team. Tasks progress can be viewed in a form of percentage and can be marked either resolved or in progress. Or users can alternatively customize their task progress statuses. Again, charts lets you view your tasks in a timeline by a list or person and automatically add updates in real time. ClickUp organizes task management in a hierarchical manner and allows you to sort tasks according to their priority. This property allows for improved productivity and lets you to structure your projects by assigning tasks to groups and arranging those groups under different categories. The software can be seamlessly integrated to Slack and similar apps through Zapier. The machine learning capability of the software assists project managers to give realistic timeframes for completion of projects and lets teams accomplish their tasks before the deadline. You can easily integrate ClickUp with Scoro or Salesforce. It's completely up to you. It also provides 24/7 helpline or help for you if you're in need, and it's made for all kinds of businesses, even freelancers. You can also install it on Windows, Mac, and run it on Android and iOS. In my opinion, ClickUp is way easier to operate. And you don't need to spend extra time actually teaching your employees how to deal with it. So at the end, your productivity will go way smoother than at Scoro. To the pricing plans, we have a free forever option, best for a personal use, as they claim, then unlimited business and business plus, then also enterprise. That same goes with Scoro as well. You are getting picked the product by the users per seat. For example, $5 per seat, 9 and 19 with the business plus. I would say that the bare minimum is this business if you are thinking serious with ClickUp. But I strongly advise you to go with both of the free version and try out if those two are for you. I mean, in my opinion, ClickUp and Monday, maybe Asana, are the best CRMs out there right now. Easier if you are small or medium business. On the enterprise level, Asana, maybe Salesforce are the best options because they are providing really a lot for the customer, even through their customer services and all the other benefits that you get while you are on the enterprise level. Then, as you can see in the ClickUp, it's way easier to read. I like vertical synchronization or vertical columns where your sidebar is on the left side and you can easily go through the workspaces. You can easily add more people, set the due date, set the priority, upload files, and many more. It's completely, guys, up to you which one you pick. I prefer ClickUp from these two, and I would say that I prefer ClickUp overall. But if you have any questions in your mind, please feel free to add them underneath this video. We'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.